Alright guys, it's kind of a weird problem, but if you have updated to watchOS 27, or maybe you've just finished setting up your Apple Watch, and now your old watch faces are missing, well, let's get them back. So first, you gotta just press and hold your current watch face, and here you can swipe through your previous watch faces to see if the missing one is still there, saved in here. Now, if it isn't, that's normal if you reset up your Apple Watch as a new instead of restoring from the backup. So what you can do is just swipe left and tap on this Add button. And here from this watch face list, you can browse through the different categories. And if you find the watch face you're looking for, just tap on this Get button if needed. And then tap on Add. After that, you can customize it if you like previously you've done it. And lastly, just press twice on the digital crown to make it your current watch face. Now, let's say you still can't find the watch face that you've previously been using. So go back to your watch face list, scroll all the way down, and now just tap on All Watch Faces. From here, you can browse through the complete watch face collections built in. We'll look for the one that you're searching, and if you find it, you can just add that one to your watch face. And apart from that, you can also open the Watch app on your iPhone, and under My Faces, you can check if your previous watch face is listed in here. Now, if it is, simply tap on it to add it back to your watch. And if it isn't under My Faces, you can also go to the Face Gallery and look for the missing watch face there. Once you find it, you can add it to your watch as well from here. If it was a third-party watch face app that wasn't listed in the Watch app, in that case, you'll need to reinstall that app on your iPhone if necessary, or if the app is still here, just find that watch face and set up that face from the app once again. And these are all the ways that you can fix any possible missing watch faces on your Apple Watch running on watchOS 27. Thanks for your time.